Hello everyone, welcome to TechVista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a creative website without knowledge. Nowadays, everyone would like to create a website for personal or business purpose. But web design is not the easiest process for everyone. If you need to make a website, you must know about the image design, HTML coding and website hosting knowledge. So how can you make the creative website? Wix Online Website Builder provides a service to make the creative website for everyone. By using this, you can make your own website without knowledge. Let's learn how you can do this. Open the wix.com, then you have to click on the Get Started. Here you have to click on the Sign Up if you don't have an account. I already have an account, so I'm logging. After login, you have to click on the Create New Site. Then you have to choose the website category. I am choosing business. In this section, two type of option available. The one is Wix ADI. This will be help to create a website just few clicks. The another one is the editor. If you choose the website editor, then you have to choose your template and edit the template section. You have to your own. This will be some more complicated for some people. So you have to choose the Wix ADI features. So just click on the Start Now. Here you have to choose your business category. I'm choosing a restaurant. In this section, you can choose your additional features of chat, menus, orders, everything you can choose for based on your business category. So I'm choosing chat. This will be help to interact with your customers. Also I choose menus. Click on next. Here you have to enter your business name. Then click on the next. If you have already a website, then you can import the content from the old website. If you don't have, then click on the skip. Here you can upload your own logo. Then you have to enter the address. After fill the detail, click on the next. The theme section, you can choose your own theme. I'm choosing a red color. So click on this and click to continue. In this section, you can choose your home page design. They are provided some examples, so you can choose that. You can check it and choose that best one as you need. I'm choosing this. Then you can add your sub pages. It means you can add your about pages, contact pages, everything you can select based on the template. I'm choosing about page. Click on the edit site. Now your website has been created. You can check this. The images and content will be exactly placed for the website template. If you would like to change the image, then you have to choose the section and click on the edit. In this section, you can change anything from here. If you would like to change the banner image, you have to click on the select design. Here you have to click on the customize section design, then click on the media. Then you have to click on the replace button. Wix provided many images for free. You can use this image as you need. If you would like to add your own image, then you have to click on the upload media. Here you can choose your own image from your computer or Dropbox, Facebook, Instagram, anything. They are provided many options. You can choose from here. I would like to choose this image, so I am choosing here, then click apply. Well, the image has been changed. You can also change the text and image same like this for all section. If you would like to change the other pages, you have to choose from here the menu section. See, by default they are provided the menus. You can just select and manage the template. Here you have to create a new menu or you can edit the existing menu. Select the menu and click on the edit. Then you have to click on the particular dish. Here you can change the description, price, everything you can change from here. You can also choose the gallery pages. By default they are provided the best gallery, so you can just change the image by click on the manage, select the image and add your title, description, everything. If you don't want the particular image, you can just click on the delete. It will be removed from your gallery. You can also add the images from your computer. The Wix automatically save for your every changes. Once you finish your image and text changes, then you have to click on the publish. Here you have to choose your domain name. Wix provide the free domain, but this will be shows a wix.com subdomain only. If you would like to add your own domain, you have to choose from here. I would like to maintain the free domain. Please be note, if you choose your own domain, you have to pay for that. So I am choosing a free domain. Then click on the publish and continue. Your website has been created. Now you have to click on the done. Then you have to go to site, view publish site. Well, the website has been created successfully. Please be note, this header will be always displayed for the free domain. If you would like to remove this, you have to purchase for your own domain with premium version. You can check it out all pages. In future you can also add some more pages from your dashboard. Customer also can be contacted by using chat. Moreover, Wix will be created creative and stunning website for your all business needs within few clicks. This will be really best website builder to create a stunning website. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.